But I also think it comes from the long experience of your association with People's Relief Committee, which was established in 1943 when Japan was bombing Calcutta and there was a widespread famine, and that's when PRC was established. And one of the focus was low cost diagnostics, which we also saw during COVID with PRC. I think all of you were very active.
Well, the PRC
Some, yeah.
was conceptualized in the late 30s, and primarily Bengal used to be impacted by floods and cyclones, and because of this, there used to be a Bengal flood and cyclone relief fund. Well-meaning people, they used to come together, and annually they used to put together a fund and they used to provide relief, because the British administration was not keen on providing relief to the poor people, marginalized people during natural calamities. So that disparity, the attitude of the British government to the
Which
common citizen,
continues. We
yeah,
face the same
the white Sahib
issues.
is gone, the brown Sahib is come.
Yes.
So that continues. And that gave rise to this idea that rather than having an annual fund, if we could have a permanent organization. So that crystallized on 29 September 1943 at the Indian Association Hall, when a number of people came together and formed the organization called People's Relief Committee. And we are into our 82nd year, and our primary focus is to provide relief during various natural calamities and other calamities that take place. Our very historical role in the 1971 war, where a huge number of refugees came in from Bangladesh, and on the appeal of Comrade Jyoti Basu, that time Dr. Lakshmi Saigal came down and spent quite some time along with the PRC, leading the PRC in providing relief to the refugees that had come from across the border. At the same time, providing relief and services to the freedom fighters in Bangladesh who used to get injured across the border, come over, get treated over here, and then go back again and join the fight liberation war of Bangladesh. And through these what you call responses, there was also an effort to set up a hospital, to set up diagnostics on a sustained continued basis. And we had our clinics that used to run from various places that we people allowed us to set up a PRC unit. And we concretized that in the late 60s by having a permanent address on BB Ganguly Street, from where a continued service in terms of providing free medical advice, and a small laboratory came up of there.